In this video, we're talking about sewer line replacement on your plumbing system under the house, and we're going to talk about it right now. I'm Roger Wakefield, Lead AP, the expert plumber. I've been plumbing over 38 years, and I have every master endorsement in the state of Texas. On this channel, I'm teaching you everything you need to know about plumbing. If you haven't been here before, please subscribe so you don't miss anything. So as you can see, I'm in an access hole to get under a house. Now, what we determined here is that the sewer line was leaking. Since the line from here over to the washing machine box had channel rot in the bottom of it, we needed to replace that line. So instead of making a hole inside the house in the floor, it was better for the homeowner to make a hole out here. As you see, we've actually got about a 3 foot by 3 foot hole here that's about what, 4 feet deep? What we do is go under the grade beam, come in. We had to replace the line from here over to the 45 where it turns and goes over to the washing machine box. Now before we replaced that line, we actually put a gem cap on the line where we had good pipe to tie onto, tested the rest of the sewer before we did it to make sure that everything else was good. And it was good and held. So what we did is we put a test tee on the other end. That way, Monday, whenever we get ready for an inspection, what we will do is pull this plug. We'll go and put a test ball in the line there, and then we'll fill it up to here, call it for inspection, get the inspector to come out and look at it and get it taken care of. Now there's different ways to repair a sewer line under a house. You could possibly jackhammer a hole in the floor and go down and fix just that fitting if that would have been the only problem. But since this line was rotten from here to there, the whole thing needed to be replaced, and we were able to see that with our camera and with the test that we ran. So now I'm going to climb under here and look at some of this pipe. See you in a minute. Different things that we do to make sure that we do the best thing for our customers. As you can see, we use shear bands whenever we put the PVC pipe and the cast iron pipe together. That makes for a better connection so it can't offset later. We also use stainless steel hangers, rod, nuts, and washers. That will make this last a whole lot longer. Galvanized or zinc plated could possibly get rusted, nicked, anything like that, and lead to it deteriorating a lot faster. The other thing we do is we also make sure that we do an engineer's report. We want to make sure that the engineer signs off on the tunnel that we've made, the dirt that we've put back in, and that way they know, and it's better for the homeowner because we want everyone to know that the work that we do will not lead to any foundation issues. And if you ever have to have this done at home, as you notice down at the end, we've got a test tee in there. That's so we can put a test ball in there, fill it up to the wall clean out, and get it inspected by the city. Permits and inspections are required, and this is something that we do on every job that we do. Sewer slab repair or slab leak repair on a sewer line. Guys, this can be an expensive project. Normally, you're looking at $5,000 up to, I've seen some jobs up to just under $100,000. As a home buyer, if you're ever buying a house, make sure you invest in a sewer water test before you do it. Now, we've got a video about that, and we don't call it a hydrostatic test, we call it a sewer water leak test. If you've ever had to have this test done, or if you've ever had a slab leak under your house, please leave a comment down below and let us know how it turned out for you. An under slab leak repair on your plumbing system, there can be a lot to it. You want to make sure that you're using the right product. Stainless steel hangers, stainless steel rods, stainless nuts, stainless washers. Guys, using the right product can help determine how long this lasts. The good thing about putting those hangers in is when the backfill crew comes in to fill this dirt back in and pack it in, getting it done right is going to be good because it's not going to pull anything loose. The other thing that we do, we make sure we do an engineer report. So we draw this up, send it to the engineer. They'll come out and look at it. They'll look at how much dirt is here, and then they'll look at how much dirt is left when we're done. You can never get it all back in, but we shoot for about 85 to 90% to get it back in, make sure it's packed right, and that way we don't ever have any foundation problems in the future. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you enjoy the other ones. If you hadn't done so yet, please hit the subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss out on anything, and I'll see you on the next video if you don't get flushed.